Okay, as we've got the CNC uprights, and I've had the rear brakes and front brakes, actually high spec 6-pot calipers for front, 4-pot calipers for rear. Well, I've realised I can mock up the rear brake assembly. This is actually the first real part, well not real, first test assembly of anything for the new rolling chassis, for the V8 conversion. But I realised I had bought this kit for the brakes a long time ago and haven't been able to test it. So I've just test assembled all the brackets and don't they look good? So here we go. But actually, no pads in or anything, I'm just checking the alignment of the brackets and everything. But the eagle-eyed among you may be able to see the one bit of non-new equipment I'm using, which is the wheel bearing. And yes, this is known. There's a height difference. I'll insert a still, but there's a height difference between the wheel bearings for the high torque drive shafts and the standard ones.
Set deposit limit to help control what you spend. Stay golden.
That does mean that you need to employ a spacer, so I need a spacer to level everything up. But to test the brake installation, I'll just put one of the old wheel bearings, not bolted in obviously, but yeah, it's kind of pleasing. So onwards and upwards.